Hi, I'm Robert Dix, owner and director at Forte Web Solutions. At Forte Web Solutions, we offer an all-encompassing digital marketing service, from web design and development through to digital marketing solutions which are guaranteed to give you a return on your investment. We also offer bespoke training services which will give you and your staff the edge over your competitors. Our web design services cater for all types of businesses, from small startup companies who need a small brochure website through to corporate websites that need bespoke functionality. We pride ourselves in delivering modern, fresh and eye-opening web design and development projects that will have a huge impact on your business. And this can be seen from our glowing client testimonials. We gain the same glowing testimonials for our digital marketing campaigns. We are a Google certified agency, so you can be assured that our campaigns are of the highest order. Our Facebook marketing campaigns will provide you with breathtaking results that will drive your sales and yield spectacular results. We regularly surpass six-figure monthly revenue for our clients. We work closely with all of our clients to build sales funnels, which are giving incredible returns on investments. Our proven and effective e-commerce sales funnels are guaranteed to turn your online store into a money-making machine. Last year, we returned an incredible 535% return on investment across our fashion industry clients. It's not just our marketing efforts that guarantee our clients' success. Our technical SEO audits provide a comprehensive report on how to optimize your site for search engine visibility. Our superb development and content teams can prioritize and action any recommendations from our SEO software, giving you a guaranteed advantage over your competitors. And of course, our training and consultancy services are aimed at businesses of all sizes. Whether you are looking for a standard training course or looking for something tailored for your company, Forte Web Solutions will deliver bespoke, industry-leading consultancy and training direct to your company. So if you want to get a competitive advantage over your competitors, give us a ring on 02921 303 550 or email us at inquiries@fortewebsolutions.co.uk.